Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make the single phase installation normal plug to the induction hub Hisense. So let's check the plug. As you can see, there we have 4 wires. The brown and the black one have to be connected together on the left side of your socket. In this appliance we don't have the ground wire, so it's empty. On the right side we have the gray and the blue. This is a neutral, so on the right side together. If you switch the size of the set of the wires, there is no problem, but remember to always connect together gray, blue and the brown with the black. So the plug is ready, we can just screw it together and check how it works. So just give me a second and let's connect it. As you can see, it's work perfect, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.